Procreate Cutting Line. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to create precise cutting lines and professional sticker designs easily. Open Procreate Pocket on your device and wait for the app to load completely. Tap the plus icon to create a new canvas. Then choose a canvas size that fits your project requirements and confirm the selection. Tap the brush icon to open the brush library, select the inking category, and pick the studio pen for precise line work. Set the brush size to a small value for detailed cutting lines, and set the opacity to 100% to keep the lines fully solid. Choose a line color that contrasts clearly with the background. Create a new layer so your cutting path stays separate from the main artwork. Zoom into the canvas to make it easier to control your strokes. Draw the cutting path slowly, using a steady hand to keep the lines smooth and accurate. If you make a mistake, tap Undo and redraw the section until it looks correct. Open the Actions menu, turn on Drawing Guide, then tap Edit Drawing Guide to adjust its settings. Enable Stabilization and adjust the streamline setting higher to reduce wobble in your strokes. Redraw the line to make it cleaner and more consistent. Duplicate the line layer to prepare for adding effects. Select the bottom line layer, open Adjustments, and tap Gaussian Blur. Blur the line slightly to create a soft edge effect. Add a shadow layer underneath the main line to give the path more depth. Lower the shadow opacity so the effect looks subtle and professional rather than heavy. Finally, export the image by tapping Share and selecting your preferred file format and destination. Make sure the exported file is saved in a location you can easily access later, such as your device gallery or a cloud storage folder. You can repeat the process with different colors or thickness settings if you need multiple cutting paths for various designs. Always zoom in and review the final lines to ensure there are no gaps, breaks, or uneven edges before using the image. This final check helps prevent cutting errors and ensures your artwork looks clean and professional in any project later.